This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. Hi there! Today we're going to 50 IKEA products you need in 2025. And we're going to IKEA to see all of them. No matter what your budget is, no matter what your style is, there is something for everyone, so stay with me as we go through all of them. I'm Mon, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The very first product I ran onto and really loved was the MÄVINN Basket. Such a cool basket for storing throws and other small things. Also this one right next to it, which comes at a more decent price but also looks so good. The next item I really loved was this cute ottoman. This one comes at $12.99, such a budget and practical find. It comes in both black and blue. Another pouffe is this one that comes in beige, grey and vibrant red. This one also has storage and looks super cute. I also love this tiny basket with lid. This one's great for keeping small things. And of course, one of my favorites, the SALUDING Laundry basket, which is a real must-have for 2025. One of my favorite candlesticks for 2025 is this beautiful chrome one for 2 candles. It looks so gorgeous and so much more expensive. Also this set of 3 candle holders. This looks so fun and retro. This serving stand is another new find I need in 2025. So cute and practical. Also this decorative bowl that also comes at $14.99 and is so unique and beautiful. I don't know about you, but I have to get this mirror in 2025. It's such a cool decor piece to have in your home. Also this one, which looks so cool, and it's great as a decor piece too. Next on my list is the TONEBRO Side table. This one is such a budget table, yet looks so good. It is completely made out of metal. Also the DOMSTEN Stool that comes in a few different leg colors, and I love all of them, especially this red one. I also really love this wall clock, it just looks so classy. One of my favorite products I gotta have in 2025 is the FRYKSÅS Wall shelf. It's just such a cool find, made out of rattan and looks so beautiful and unique. Also this waste paper basket that is also made out of handmade rattan and is just perfect for the office space. I've talked about this laptop stand so many times. It's a budget find that's so practical to have in your home. I especially love this beige one. IKEA has many boxes and organizers, but this one is a real gem. The inside is split into compartments and I love it so much. Also my favorite IKEA bamboo box with lid that's great for storing small things around your home. A laundry basket I just gotta have in 2025 is the TOLKNING Basket. This one has a bag that you easily lift out and fit at the bottom to protect it from moisture. I just love it. I also love these 2 vases that are apart from the winter collection, but they just look so gorgeous. One of my most recent IKEA buys was this cup holder. Trust me, you just need it in your office space in 2025. Also this laptop/monitor stand made from bamboo that looks so good. And how could I have not seen this spice mill before? Made out of acacia wood. Such a gorgeous find, I need it for my kitchen. Now, before we continue with the rest of the IKEA finds for 2025, let me tell you a bit about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the ultimate platform for bringing your online visions to life. First off, I'm loving their visual design tools. They have tons of modern effects that let you create this incredible professional aesthetic. Whether you want minimal and clean or bold and dynamic, you can customize every single detail to make your website totally unique. Not to mention their SEO tools. They're absolutely mind-blowing for anyone who wants to get noticed online. They help you optimize your content, improve your search rankings, and make sure the right people find your website. It's like having a digital marketing expert built right into your website platform. Plus, their payment system is incredibly powerful. I'm blown away by how seamlessly you can set up an online store and start receiving payments. It's literally just a few clicks and you're ready to sell. So don't wait a second longer, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebyMon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA finds. A new IKEA find that's so cool is this multifunctional chair/table. This one's really great for the kids' room, however, I think it would look so good as a side table too, or even as a plant stand. Another IKEA find you need in 2025 is this Lazy Susan. Other than looking absolutely gorgeous, this one will keep your jars, bottles, and other things organized on the worktop. I got 2 of these cute espresso cups on my last trip to IKEA, and I'm telling you, you need to get these if you're an espresso lover. Also, this set of 4 tumblers that look so cool with these gorgeous blue patterns. Loving these. I've also talked about this countertop organizer. It's just so practical and looks so good. This one's definitely on my list for 2025. Another mug that looks so cool is this light green oversized mug with speckles. Such a unique find. I've been honestly loving this tray. It looks so beautiful and I could see it used for so many things around the home. Also this metal one with bamboo handles, which is so practical, plus looks so great. These glasses were super interesting in this gray color. They come in a pack of 4 for $19.99. Now moving on to textiles, I just love this cushion cover so much. It looks so linen-y and so natural. Plus this green color is just perfect. Also this one with such an interesting pattern, loving it so much. One of my favorite IKEA throws I just gotta have in 2025 is this one. These throws are super comfy and super fluffy, and they come in a few different colors, but I especially love this blue one. I got this hand towel with black and white stripes, and it's been my favorite towel ever since. So if you're in the looks for towels, these are a great choice. Also these light green towels that feel so natural and soft. This battery-operated lamp is a lamp I just gotta have in 2025. This one reminds me so much of the mushroom lamps, and I'm all for it. Another lamp I love is this tiny one with wooden legs, so adorable. This pendant lamp is another must-have for 2025. It's just so affordable, yet it honestly looks like it's from Anthropologie or Zara Home. So gorgeous. I've been looking at this MÄVINN rug for a few months now, and I'll just have to get it in 2025. Loving the choice of colors and the pattern. Also, this flower-shaped rug looks so unique and so beautiful. I'd love to have it for my bathroom. And another basket that looks so cute for keeping small things like scrunchies and jewelry. Also, did you know that the famous Ikea shoe tray now comes in a smaller version too? I'm writing this on my list ASAP. Oh, and you gotta have this plate holder in 2025, so you can turn it into a floating bookshelf. I'll show you how in a video that's coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned. Ikea has always had the best cutting boards, but these two made from acacia are my absolute favorite. Not to mention these oil for boards I got on my last trip. You just need this one, it will keep all of your boards shiny and clean. And I'm finishing my list with this gorgeous candlestick. This one looks so cool, and this vibrant purple will make such a statement in your home. And that wraps it up for today. Do you have any of these IKEA finds? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to never miss another video again. I have a vlog with my dog Mars coming up pretty soon, and you just don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Hey Mars! Hey! Did we film the vlog for Christmas? Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Can't wait to see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Bye.